Hey everybody, it's Khristina from Redefine Creative, and I am here with my May How to Kill Kit with Style. And I am super excited about this month because even though I can't go do my kit building at Tuesday morning, I worked with my friend Sandie, who is State Goddess here on YouTube, and her and I decided to build a kit based on the same starting point. So we both had this older Echo Park collection in our stash. So this is Capture Life from Alice & Craft for Echo Park. And so we decided we would both start with this and then build our kits from there to show you just how different the layouts and the kits and the themes and everything throughout the month would be. So my sort of dilemma when I pulled this out was I realized, so let me pull this out, that this was all I had left. So I'm not really sure what happened to the sticker sheets. I know that I had them, but finding them, who knows? So I only had this cut apart sheet, which I am totally going to use. And then I have this paper that has all these really super cute hearts with this like watercolor on the back. And then there is a pink geometric with this kind of funky geometric on the back. And then the front sheet has some more cut aparts on the back. So that is all I had left from this particular kit, even though I love it, which makes sense because that means that I've used it. So what I went ahead and did is I still started in this exact same spot, but I had to add quite a bit of things to my kit. So let me show you real quickly what I have added. So from Webster's Pages, this one is from Strawberry Fields. It's called Strawberry Patch, and I thought this pink geometric was kind of the perfect match. This side is not really my jam, but this will totally work. So then I also grabbed this one from, I think this is Glitz, which is a really old company. It's called Wild and Free, and it has these pink, green, and yellow arrows on it. And then it has kind of a watercolor on the back. The reason I pulled this one out is because if you look in the original collection, there's a paper that's very similar to this. So I thought that kind of brought in that same feel. And then I have this one, which is, I think a few of these are from Close to My Heart. So this is just a pink polka dot. And then kind of a turquoise geometric that matches with the colors. Then I have a black and white polka dot, which has just kind of a tan grid on the back, but I'm planning on using that black and white polka dot. This one's also from Close to My Heart, which is this yellow kind of brush stroke stripe, and then a white with kind of doodled black polka dots on the other side. And then I also grabbed from One Fine Day this kind of fun floral. It has a little bit of a different feel to it than the rest of the kit, but I think that I can mix it and match it and it will work, especially like if I mix it with like this and this or these three. So I think it'll work. So that's going to be my paper selection. Let's see if I can get that off to the side here. All right, so then I just went ahead and grabbed a bunch of kind of random die cuts that are just leftovers of things. So I have this little sun-kissed, some fruit slices, a little die cut heart, fun, best day ever. Just gonna kind of flip through these really quick. And these are all just leftover pieces. Some of them are Rosie Studio. There's some Jelly Bean Soup. What else is in here? I don't even know what else is in here. Some Echo Park maybe. Oh, there's another little guy, Be Happy. I also have these epoxy hearts that were left over from Rosie Studios, so we got those in there. These were some fancy pants. I think it's called Joy Parade, but they're all just kind of like little labels and circles and journaling spots and that kind of thing, but they match the colors, so we're going to throw those in the kit. All right, I had one little lonely piece of navy blue grass green ribbon, so that's going in there. These are from the Here and There collection by Hello Heather, and this was for Pretty Little Studio. So it's just black and white words and some little hearts and things, and then some phrases. So we're going to throw those in the kit because they match really well. I have two of these little like flag embellishments from Dear Lizzie, and the colors kind of work, so I thought maybe I could possibly use those up because I only have two left. I have some black acrylic pieces from Close to My Heart, so just some hearts and stars, so we'll get those in there. I thought these phrases from Pink Fresh Studio Joyful Day matched really well with all the colors I had going on, and I've used about half of that pack, so I have those. I have just a few of these little Chamel puffy stickers. I think this was like Little You. I forget the name of it. Little by Little, something like that. Just some florals and some cute little animals and things, so we're going to throw those in, see if we can get those used up. And then I also have this chipboard from Altenew, their Reflection collection. And I thought some of these colors would also be really pretty with this particular kit. So I did not grab a ton of things. And I'm going to give myself permission to go back to my stash if I need to. But in contrast to my For the Love of Homemade kits, which is a little bit more kind of subtle and watercolored color palette, this one is a really bright and fun one with some black and white pops. And so you can check out my video and Sandie's. We're going to be using the same starter kind of collection pack and going from there. And I will see you throughout the month with some layouts using these goodies. Bye, everybody.